Ayama wants to use the web system to create a personal website as a way to practice for future projects. She does not want a pre-made, canned website. You should also note that Ayama is not a developer. She is a knowledge worker that wants to expand her scope. She wants to learn and enhance her skills so that she will be a more valuable employee. She wants to be unique. Select Sites. Create new site. She named her site Ayama, and then filled in the rest of the blanks for a simple, 3-page site. She can always add more pages or change her descriptions later. She started with looking at the properties for her index page, made some fixes, then continued on to the other 2 pages. Ayama added descriptions for her other 2 pages, but before we go further, let's pause for a bit and become more familiar with the menu. We can dig much deeper in future videos. We are on the General tab. SEO is an acronym for Search Engine Optimization, and we will cover that in a future vid. The Analytics tab gives an abbreviated summary of your Google Analytics account. Once again, more on that in a future vid. Next, notice the row of development tools, the first of which is Actions. This button will take you to the Actions editor, which is the developer tool for writing and editing PHP. Access Log will give you a list of who has visited your site by IP address, along with the date and time of the visit. This is also where you could add a blacklist to block unruly visitors from reaching your site or to exclude entire countries from reaching your site. If you want the website associated with a specific domain, as with a public website, then you will want to publish to the web. This button takes you to the Publish wizard and its many options. A simple website can be analyzed with a glance. A complex website with many moving parts needs a professional level tool. This button will take you to the Analyzer, which can be a helpful debugging tool for large sites or complex pages. The web system has taken the shroud off of installing a payment system and e-cart solution. Look for the short vid ad Google Wallet, payment system. Clicking Preview allows you to see your site in a separate browser window. Even experts preview their sites before publishing to the web. The web system has its own internal, tireless robot that methodically reindexes every one of your pages all day and every night of the year. Nevertheless, you can also reindex your site pages with the click of a button. Your web project name need not be the same as your domain name. In fact, most sites are private and domain name can be irrelevant. Individual web pages can do special work, even before they load to your browser. These are PHP actions and usually, are created and assigned by a developer. Manage domains is an interesting feature as it allows you to create subdomains, such as blog.mywebsite.com. Very useful. You can add a new domain to your cross-domain XML policy by clicking this button. Think of themes as a master page that lies beneath your current page. Usually, you will want to have your persistent objects on your theme, with menus as an example. You can have many themes for each site and, optionally assign a master, default theme. Notice the checkbox in the left column. If you want to delete a page, you'd select specifically for that page and then, click Delete. The page ID is assigned by the system. You cannot change the ID, but there will be moments when knowing the ID is useful. A site with 3 pages can be quickly eyeballed. A site with 200 pages cannot. This will search the name of pages plus any meta tags for that page. Actions allow you to preview an individual page, open the editor, open and adjust the XML, open and edit the auto-generated HTML, all of your properties plus import or export the page XML, all of which begs the question, have you signed up for the free trial yet? If not, why not? Pub is short for public. If you want the rest of the world to see this page, then make it public. If you require login to view the page, then leave it unchecked. This displays the current theme for each page. You can sort all your pages by theme. Displays the last modification date for the page. You can sort all of your pages by this item. Exclude sitemap, if checked, means that this page will not be included in your automatic sitemap XML. Agreeable search engines should ignore, and not index this page. As you may recall, Irama is eager to experiment, but she is not a developer. Right now would be a good moment for her to learn how to upload an image which she can include on her very first theme.